Wawa has recently started sneezing frequently, though there isn't much nasal discharge since Convenia typically remains effective for about 2 weeks. And her last injection was only 9 to 10 days ago. Infection seems less likely to be the primary issue. Her right eye has begun watering, and her third eyelid is visible. She has also been eating less this week. I took her to the vet, and her intraocular pressure, IOP, measured 32 in the right eye compared to 22 in the left. This suggests that the main problem may not be an infection, but potentially something located behind her eye or within her nasal cavity. On closer inspection, her nose appears slightly asymmetric and her right eye socket looks mildly swollen and subtly misaligned. Her condition seems to be progressing. Now, I should prepare myself.